This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Yandy Perez. Welcome to this beautifully updated Safety Harbor home featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2-car garage with a workshop space or extra storage room. This home is located in the highly desirable area of Country Villas. You'll find your new home on a quiet residential street with fully fenced lot. Upon entering, you will notice the open floor plan with new interior paint, new luxury waterproof vinyl flooring, and modern fixtures all around. Beautifully updated kitchen with custom European cabinets with two-tone sleek finishes, soft closing features, and bright quartz countertops. Brand new stainless steel appliances, and porcelain backsplash. The open concept flows easily, offering ample natural light throughout, making it warm and inviting. The kitchen and living room have plenty of seating and countertop space for large family or friends gatherings. The owner's suite offers a tiled walk-in shower, updated vanity and hardware with a sleek frameless glass shower. The main bathroom offers an updated solid marble surface countertop vanity and updated fixtures. Worry-free home with a brand new roof as of April 2024, HVAC 2020 and newer impact-rated windows. There is so much to see and do in the area of Safety Harbor, to include Third Friday street celebrations, holiday festivals, weekend farmers markets, the Safety Harbor Resort and Spa, beautiful Philippe Park, Safety Harbor Marina, breweries, coffee shops, and award-winning restaurants that are sure to please everyone in the family. The home is located within a short driving distance of shopping centers, Dunedin, Gulf Beaches, the Tampa area, St. Petersburg and major roads and bridges. Did I mention no HOA fees or flood zone? Don't let this turnkey home pass you by. For more information, review the details.